joining me. Now, I know my car is very, very loud, but how loud is it? You know, is it ear deafening? Is it ear affecting? Is it, well, can I go on a racetrack with it? Who knows? So, I've actually bought a decibel reader to actually see how loud it is. So when I say my car is loud, it's X amount of decibels, people are like, yeah, that's loud. I've actually got the proof now. So what I'm going to do, because this is actually quite cool. So for example, if I put it on the max, it'll stop. Oh, it's backwards, but it'll stop at what the max thing hits. So if I go louder, it's 90.3. That seems a bit high for my voice, but anyway. So if I do that, I can actually go away from it, leave it where it is, and so on and so forth. So the idea is to go to the car, 3000 RPM, hold it there, and then it should pick it up on there. So without further ado, let's go. What you actually do when you're testing the decibels, you hold it about half a meter away, but you also do it at a 45-degree angle. So this would be 90, and then at the side would be 0. So you'd hold it about there-ish. So if I put it down, as you can see, it's turning on there. So this will be quite a rough estimate. Right, so I put it on the max. Cars are quite loud going by. It's about half a meter. So if I test it, remember 3000 RPM. So I think the track limit for Donington is something like maximum of 108. So we hit it and it would have picked that up. So let's have a look. Oh. So that's 118.2 decibel. That's quite loud. I know Donington have their, because that's the closest one to me, I'd say, proper racetrack. They've got 108 decibel ones, 118 decibels, and then unsilenced. So I've got to go to the unsilenced one because, I mean, yeah, that is over 118. Even though it's a 0.2, it's still there. So just for sugars and giggles, so let's test my other car. Here it is. I love this car, it's so much fun. So put it there. So maximum again. You might be surprised how loud these things actually are. They're decent. I don't think it'll be 3000 RPM on this, but I'll do it at that anyway. There we go. So that's only 88 decibels. That's not bad. 88. Now that's a stock exhaust, and to be honest, for a stock exhaust that is quite loud. Quite impressed with that. I quite like the sound of the Abarth. Really nice. I think that's still open. So I want to say thank you for joining me on this video. I've got a feeling that if I'd really revved up the 300, that it would have been past 118, but because they'll only test at about 3000 RPM. I thought that's all I'm going to do. I don't want to, like, my neighbours hate me, so so yeah, guys, thank you for joining me. If you want more videos like this, etc., well, there's plenty of content coming up, trust me. There's loads coming up. So thank you for joining me. Like, subscribe, etc., you know what to do. See you around. If you see me, say hi. See you later.